Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders, let's have a market update time with the stock market. I'm going to be looking at the stock market right now, and boy, oh boy, oh boy, does the market continue up. And you know, there's so many people saying this is the top of the market. No, it's not. It's not the top of the market. We're probably likely to go for a run back up to 29,000 here. Once we break 60,000, once we break 60,000 on the Dow. 26 and a half. The thing is, guys, is that we're looking at the stock market right now, okay? Oh. Alright, cool. We're looking at the stock market right now. So the Dow Jones had a very nice, again, we're still stuck in this sideways range, which is actually a very, very bullish sign for the markets, by the way, guys. It's a very bullish sign for the markets. Nice run up, sideways phase, this like this. And if we start to get a break up and out, this could be a nice continuation of the markets here. And same for the S&P 500. And I don't know why, but so many people are still trying to short this market. We don't, you know, like I know one person, and you know who you are. On this day here, he was like, this person was like, I shorted the markets, look, it went down, oh, I told you it's got to go down, this is the start, and it went up. He goes, oh, it went up, oh, I shorted it, and then went up again, it went up, oh, look, I shorted it again. Meanwhile, the whole market has been going up, and they're trying to pick the top in the markets. Big mistake. Big mistake. So when we're looking at these markets here, guys, and when we're trading these markets, it's so important that you just don't fight. If you see, right, if you bring up, say, the last 3 months and you see a very nice, strong upward trend, why do you think that you're going to be the guy that picks the exact top or the exact bottom of the markets? Very risky in the markets. Very risky in the markets. And the thing is that it's so important that you just flow with the market. So no, this is not the top in the markets right now. Once again, I truly do believe that we're getting ready for another big bull run. And the Dow Jones has been going sideways pretty much. And so we're now building up steam to get ready to go for another big run on the Dow Jones. Now, that being said, the S&P 500 is continuing to push higher. Now, the thing about the markets is that when the market starts to go up like this without any real decent pullback like the S&P has, it starts to get me a bit nervous because we need to have some sort of a pullback. Because that's how the markets work, right? We need to have some sort of a pullback. So I am expecting some sort of a pullback, some sort of a resting phase, not a crash, not a downward trend, just maybe just a few down days or something like that. Just to get a bit of time here. And what I mean by that is just as the market goes sideways, to build up a bit of time so the market can get ready to go again. So, but the thing about these markets, right, just like we got back late last year, is that the market can keep going up longer than you think it can't. Let me say that again. The market can keep going up longer than you think you can't. And so many people who try to short the markets and short the market end up blowing themselves out of the water because they're trying to fight the markets right now. So another nice update today. Again, like I am expecting some sort of a pullback on the S&P 500. I mean, like some sort of a resting phase here on the S&P 500, but the market can just keep going up. You know, and so again, but just for me personally, or for me, I would like to see this market to get some sort of equilibrium back into it, meaning just a bit of a sideways phase, maybe go for sideways for a week or so, and then build up a bit of steam and then continue up, because like that, and also the Dow, as you can see here, right, the Dow is really going sideways through here, and the Dow is actually building up a lot of energy now to get ready to go for another run. So either way, guys, even if the market does start to pull back a little bit for a couple of days, that's not the top in the markets. It's just gone through a bit of a pullback against the big trend. It's not the top. Don't short the market. Don't try and fight the market. Be smart about your way of trading. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description, because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the Millionaire Mindset Master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the Master Trader Breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I'll see you on the next page.